Here we're going to set the time and everything on here. We're going to select the, let's see here, Central Time. We're in the Central Time Zone. Click Next. And there's is setting up the network now. We have 31 minutes. Here we can do custom, but we'll usually do typical settings. And then we'll just keep the work group as work group. Click next after that, and then it's copying files now. 29 minutes to go. It's completing installation. Sorry for the delay. Got 24 minutes to go. And you can change the work group later in the My Computer settings and everything. Go to My Computer, click on Properties, and then I think it's under, I'm not sure where it's under, but I think it's under Network or something. I'm not sure. Well, we can find out together when we look at Windows after the installation. I know what it's under My Computer for sure, but no buts. I know it's under there. I've had experience doing this. I just can't remember where it is under the My Computer. It's in the networking or the work group or any. You can change it later. I shouldn't say that. You can change it later. I'll show you how to do that. We have 19 minutes to go. Now we're registering components. We have 16 minutes to go. 10 minutes to go. We have 8 minutes. We're saving the settings. We're finalizing the installation. It's under computer name if you want to know that. And we'll show you how to get there. And just go to change. Now we're removing temporary files used. We have 1 minute to go. We're ready to go. We're going to boot. That's if you want to reinstall it. Just click any key on the keyboard. Now we're booting into Windows Server 2003 on a virtual machine. It's booting up into the GUI interface now. We were in the text setup before. It's like a DOS environment, but it's not really DOS. Applying computer settings. Now we hit Control-Alt-Delete. In the virtual machine, it's host plus the delete key. So, we'll be right back. What we did is we hit the Control key and the delete key on the right-hand side of the keyboard. Now we need to type in our password. We'll be right back after these messages typing in our password. Remember, we've logged in, and here's the page where you can set up your server. If you want to set up your server, we're not going to do that today. We're just going to show you a little bit of how to work around Windows Server 2003. And we'll keep this going. We'll get this working. We got a display problem here, so we're going to see what's going on. we can go to properties, settings, and check all, and then we can do a higher screen resolution. We'll do, that's too high. We'll do 800 by 600 is probably the default, so we'll just do that. Here we go. It's just like other windows. Click the start button, and this is the new thing, just like in XP, but it's got the old-fashioned way of Windows, the old colors and everything for Windows. Got the Notepad, command prompt, manager server, my computer. Right click on that. Go to properties, and we go to computer name, and here we can go to change name, and we can change the work group here by clicking this button here, and then we just go up here, change it, and we can put it in a domain if we want to, because you normally you'd put it in a domain if you wanted to, but if you're just doing a standalone server, you probably just want to do a work group. And we have 60 days for activation. We can do that later. We're just test this out for now and just see how it runs. Here's add new hardware, device managers in this version of Windows. And this is all the drivers that we have for Windows, and there's a base system device that needs to be installed. We got the network card installed and everything. CD-ROM drives. And we'll go into here, click, and we'll go click OK. And we'll manage our server, clicking on this. Add a role, manage your server roles, read about the server roles. Over here we got more information on administrative tools, more tools, Windows Update, computer domain and information, Internet Explorer, enhanced security configuration. We can change that if we want to. And there's also some help. And we have internet. We'll click OK here. We probably don't have internet hooked up on here, but we'll do that. We got activation down here. We got 60 days for this version of Windows. Go to search. I'm going to search for programs. And if you want to add the other stuff, go to properties, the other icon, go to system, we can do a classic start menu if we want. Click apply, click OK, and we got the other icons on here. And then we got the classic start menu. Manager servers and administrative tools. We got computer management. And let's see, what else? All these services here. And I think under computer management, that's where you can format and do all your disk drives for disk management, and it tells you all the disk drives you have. You can format, you can resize the partition if you want to. But we're just going to keep it as this for now. Here's the CD-ROM drive we got. And here's the local C, here's the drive D for the CD-ROM drive, and here's the local disk. It's pretty much, and you can change this way of you can have it just like XP, but I'm not sure about I think you can put the XP theme on here, but I'm not sure. Got the server 2003 desktop themes. We can do Windows Classic only, I guess. So there's more online, I think, if you have it connected online. But I don't think this operating system is connected anymore. It's because it's so old. We have it on classic Windows, so we got WordPad and accessories. We got sound recorder, Windows Media Player. And then there's no games in this one, I don't think, because it's a server version. And there's disk defragmenter, disk cleanup, backup, activate Windows, system information. And this tells you what kind of version of Windows it is. Make it bigger. And that's it. We'll have more on this. We'll move this. We'll rearrange the icons by name or by type. And we got that over there now. Internet Explorer's on here. My documents, my computer, my network places. This is what they called it back in those days. Now, yeah. Now it's just called this PC for my computer, and then network for Windows 11. Alright. We'll activate this on another machine. That's it for now. It's going to just shut down, and have a great day. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for watching this video.